Alright, in this video, I'll be showing you guys 10 hidden features, tips and tricks that will make your Tecno Pova 5G great. First, this is a 5G device. So how do you set up the 5G network? Go to settings, enter SIM and network settings, tap on your preferred SIM, either SIM 1 or SIM 2, enter preferred network type. You can now select 5G as your default network. In most regions where this smartphone will be launched, there is no 5G yet. For example, in Nigeria, according to federal government and NCC, 5G will start rolling out in a few months' time. So before the end of 2022, Nigeria could likely have 5G network. And that also applies to many other African countries and also some countries in the Middle East. But when the 5G network is available, this is how you set up its connectivity. Now, while 5G is super fast, it does so at the expense of your battery life. The fastness, it consumes a lot of battery. And to manage that, there's a feature called Smart 5G on this Tecno Pova 5G. When toggled on, it will smartly switch between 4G and 5G to extend the battery life. So that settings will help your smartphone or your device to be smart, that when you are not using the 5G network, it will retract to 4G. Then when you are in need of it, it will switch back automatically to 5G. So in between, it will be saving you a lot of battery. Let's now get to memory fusion. By default, this smartphone is 8GB of RAM. But through software upgrade, Tecno added extra 3GB of RAM, which now makes it 11 gigs of RAM in total. Thus, this makes your applications to run even faster. You don't have to do anything. The moment you buy the Tecno Pova 5G, you already have the memory fusion in place. So technically, Tecno Pova 5G has 11GB. This is a gaming smartphone. Pova 5G or Pova series, Tecno Pova series are known for gaming smartphones because of their power and their battery life. So you can play games with this as long as you want on this smartphone. The confidence you should have is that you have the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset. It's a beast performer. You also have the dark theme schedule. This is another feature I enjoy using on the Tecno Pova 5G. In settings, under dark theme, you can schedule when the theme should automatically switch between dark to light. You can set it from 6 AM to 6 PM light theme, and then 7 PM to 5 PM dark theme. This is important so that at night, when you are in dark areas, the smartphone with dark theme will come up, and this will save your eyes from stress. 120 Hz refresh rate will enable smoother animations in scrolling in some supported applications. So make sure to go to settings under display and set the smartphone to 120 Hz refresh rate. Rock it and enjoy it for smooth and faster experience of the interface. From the box, the Pova 5G has gesture as default navigation. But for those who prefers the 3 buttons, simply go to settings, enter system, click on system navigation, then you have the options to select the 3 buttons navigation or gesture navigation. They also have the app twin. This is, when activated, will help you to have double WhatsApp, double Facebook, double Instagram, and double Messenger of any kind. The advantage is that if you are a business person on WhatsApp, you can have one WhatsApp for your business and have another WhatsApp application for your own personal usage. So the app twin gives you that flexibility of having dual messengers. Then there's also the video assistant. When you activate the video assistant, it gives you this experience of no disturbance, like you are in no disturbance zone sort of. So it automatically blocks all notifications from disturbing you when you are watching YouTube or Netflixing or using any video player applications. So it stops notification from pouring in until when you quit that video application before you start receiving the messages. It's a cool one. Then the micro-intelligence. Other micro-intelligence, you have so many features, numerous ones as you can see, from raise to wake, from take your phone to ear to answer call, and so many others. There are a bunch of them here. You can activate anyone you want and enjoy it. Then this smartphone has 6,000 mAh capacity, right? But the charging speed is capable of only 18 watts. So it's very slow when charging the 6000 mAh. So what I do, I make sure when I'm charging the smartphone, all network applications are shut off. And then I also try to reduce the display to the minimum, so that when the brightness, the display brightness, display brightness to the minimum, so the smartphone can charge faster a bit. It's just the technical, what I can hack to help to improve the charging speed on the Tecno Pova 5G. So you can take advantage of all these features. When you activate them, you also discover more as time goes on. But these are the essential ones, the most important ones that when activated will help you to enjoy using the Tecno Pova 5G even more. I'd love to see your comments below in the description. Which of these features do you love the most? And remember, there's already a review of this smartphone, so you can click somewhere here to watch a full review of the Tecno Pova 5G. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at MyD. Thanks for watching, and I will see you around in my next one.